Musicians can often work in a constant state of fear, and we are largely unaware of it. So, what do we fear? We fear being unseen, being unwanted, being unsupported, being punished for our shortcomings, not belonging, being abandoned, being undervalued, and not mattering. These are really deep human fears that manifest as the more everyday, recognizable, surface level fears, like making a mistake, being fired, being rejected, someone not liking our interpretation, not knowing the answer to a question, not having more followers, not being paid appropriately, negative reviews. The list goes on. So we address these surface level fears, and we get more followers. We do anything to avoid getting fired, perform the way we think others would like, fight for fair pay, and seek to be perfect. Yet the deeper fears remain unresolved. We still feel unseen, unwanted, unsupported. We still fear punishment, hearing no, and being ostracized from our community. When these deeper fears go unaddressed, we are in survival mode, and this really hurts us. The good news is that we can get ourselves out of survival mode by catering to the real deeper fears. Instead of putting a band-aid on the surface level fears, we can build cultures that make us feel safe enough to exit survival mode. So check out the post below for how we can do better. I wonder, are you in survival mode? Are your people? What could you do to help us all get out of it? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that make us better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please subscribe in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you, and have a great day.